Let's quickly get your Bullx account funded so you can dive into the action. First, open your web browser or the Bullx app and log in securely using your registered credentials. Once you're logged into your dashboard, look for the main navigation menu. This is usually located at the top or side of the screen. Click on the section labeled Wallet, Funds, or sometimes Deposit. This will take you to your account balance overview. Here you'll see a list of assets or currencies you can hold. Find and select the specific currency or cryptocurrency you wish to add to your account. After selecting your desired asset, click on the deposit button associated with it. Bullx will now generate a unique deposit address specifically for your account and the chosen asset. You'll often see this as a long string of characters and sometimes a QR code. Pay close attention here. Make sure you select the correct network that matches the network you are sending your funds from. Sending funds on the wrong network can result in loss. Some assets might also require a memo, destination tag, or payment ID along with the address. Double check if this is needed and copy it accurately. Now, go to the external wallet or exchange where your funds are currently held. Initiate a withdrawal or send transaction. Carefully paste the Bullx deposit address and any required memo into the corresponding fields on your sending platform. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. Depending on the network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency, you'll need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This can take a few minutes or sometimes longer. Once confirmed, the funds will appear in your Bullx account balance. You can refresh your Bullx wallet page to see the updated amount. And that's it. Your Bullx account is now funded and ready for you to start exploring the platform's features.